We're back at this one. Remember this one? We did a live renovation, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks ago. It's looking pretty good. It's just a bit thin in places, so I've come back. I'm going to do a bit of overseeding. I'm just going to run the mower over first. Bit of overseeding, then I'll show you around. Well, that's actually looking really good. Apart from it being a bit thin, you can see when the thin bits have gone and filled in how nice it's actually going to look. So we had the fleece on, but we still had some heavy rain, so it has thinned it out in a few places, and there's a few bits where there's literally nothing growing like there, but this will eventually fill in. However, customers just a bit concerned with how it looks, and obviously a few little spots there where the rain's got through. So we're going to overseed. We're going to put a bit more top dressing on. It struggled a bit on this edge here, so what's happened is rain or watering would have hit this wood and rolled down, and then we've got a lot of heavy wash there. So to counteract that, you could cover it with some soil as opposed to compost, so it's a little bit heavier and holds it in place. But in general, it is coming. Now, the other issue we've got are loads of weeds. This time of year, I've gave the customer the option, would you like me to tackle the weeds now and we'll do some more seeding later on in the year, like after summer, or would you rather get the seeding done? And she said the seeding. So we're going to overseed and we'll do some feed and weed in a couple of months' time. But this is going to look great. We just need to sort out these few patches, and you can't help nature, these things happen. So let's get some seed on and let's get some dressing on. So I've just evenly overseeded it all because it's a little thin all over, but that will thicken with time. It's just she really wants to get it looking nice as soon as possible, so we've put seed on all of it. And what I'm going to do now is get some of this compost and just put it over the worst parts. So I'm just going to place it around, and then we're going to use the landscaper's rake just to sort of work it in between the blades of grass. Right, let's crack on. That's it. So things happen, don't they? We get wind, we get heavy rain, and sometimes even with a fleece on, things just take a turn for worse, which sometimes happens. Now this is a very sandy soil area, so it dries out as well, so there's a chance it could have developed further with even better watering. Even though she's watered really well, it could have done better with more watering, but we'll never know. The main thing is these things happen, and if you need to overseed, just overseed. This has took about 20 minutes to do, so it's not a big job. Just chuck a bit of seed down and just hand scatter some compost over the top. Right, thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Let's help more people get their lawns looking amazing. Thanks for watching.